Time now to check back in with Alissa, find out the latest on this storm.
Well, Delano is seeing a lot of flooding, and I'm getting some viewer photos in. If you are traveling the 99 northbound up near Cecil Avenue, it is backed up and flooded. And Kat Marie here showing us the view, and it is of course, she's in her car, and you can see the rain on the window shield there. But yes, a lot of rain. There are a few more pictures on the KGT Facebook page of that, and we'll get those on the air as well. Mindy Reed again showing us that mud that continues to plague drivers there on the 5, and so the Grapevine is closed in both directions. Of course, we're looking here near the Ridge route where we have numerous reports of mudslides and hundreds of vehicles stuck in the mud tonight. Now, meanwhile, the rain has let up in that particular area, but we are continuing to watch as showers are still lifting on through Delano, as well as over near McFarland, Shafter, Wasco, still seeing a little bit of light rain, but your rain is starting to lighten up as well. Tehachapi, that's where all eyes are on at this hour as we're continuing to watch that thunderstorm cell drop heavy amounts of rain over the desert out in Mojave. So you can just imagine what kind of flooding they are seeing along the 58. If you are trying to get down to Los Angeles, that's the way you're going to probably want to go, is over toward Tehachapi, and you're going to run into some rain out that direction. So yes, there are some issues there. To the south, though, once that last frame of video stops, we'll notice that there's not much coming up. So this is about it. Meanwhile, we still have the flood warning in effect here for the Bakersfield area. That does run all the way here into eastern Kern County until 7 o'clock tonight for flooded streets. And yes, now we have a severe thunderstorm warning here for that one cell out near Tehachapi and Mojave. So a severe thunderstorm warning, meaning that we do have a lot of lightning, heavy downpours, probably some hail with that too, and gusty winds. So criteria now being met for a severe thunderstorm out there. So I'll give you the time frame as soon as I get it. 72 degrees in Bakersfield, 70 in Delano, 71 in Wasco, 58 in Fraser Park, 61 in Tehachapi, 79 in Lake Isabella, 63 in Mojave. Humidity value is up at 84%. It's because of the rain. Our dew point's at 67. It is very humid outside. Winds are out of the east-northeast at 7. Believe it or not, we made up to 83 today. That was after a morning low of 68. Our normal is 80, and then once the rain came, definitely cooled us back down into those lower 70s. The upper level low is closer today. It has a lot more moisture with it, and that's why we're seeing more rain than we saw yesterday. We're not seeing as much lightning as we saw yesterday, but the system is a little bit farther inland, and so with that being said, the parameters are a little bit different than what we saw yesterday for the system moving in. That front behind it is the one that'll work in for the weekend. So tomorrow, a lot of folks are asking, are we going to see this again? There's an opportunity that, yes, we may see this again, because look at this. Futurecast models at 6:30 as we head into tomorrow night, showing very heavy rain as we make our way into the Kern River Valley area and into the mountains. And we may see some thunderstorms too. So I'm not ruling it out. We may see all this again tomorrow afternoon around this time. And then for the weekend, just a slight chance of pop-up showers. Looking at air quality moderate, 84, and then we'll be in the lower 80s through the weekend, mid 80s next week. Heating up, warming up, drying out by Wednesday and Thursday. 90 on Wednesday, 91 on Thursday. Lows from the upper 60s to lower 60s. Into the mountain forecast, 72 degrees with a 60% chance of thunderstorms. And then as we head into the weekend, a 20 to 30% chance. Mid to upper 70s next week. Overnight lows near 50. And into the Kern River Valley. Again, that repeat performance possible tomorrow, with just rain possible Saturday and Sunday. Other than that, warming up and drying out next week with lows in the 50s. And we'll continue to keep you posted here on that severe thunderstorm warning. And I'll have that probably goes for about 20 more minutes or so. I'll let you know here at the end of the newscast.
It's kind of like a monsoonal flow, though. It came up from the south, and it just packed a heavy punch today.
It came up from the south. This is a precursor of what we're expecting here all winter for El Nino. So the past 2 days have been kind of crazy for us here in Bakersfield, but we better get ready, because this is what we are in for possibly all winter.
Yeah, I think there's going to be a meeting of the minds after this, perhaps, to
try to
figure out ways to deal with it in the future.
Get prepared now.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.